In this video we're going to be covering the packaging estimator. And so we're beginning here in the Shipping Master screen, and we already have some weight and destinations here entered in. And so occasionally a customer is going to bring in an item that needs to be packaged. And what we want to do here is just tab into the contents field and press enter. Okay, so this is the contents search list, and if you've previously packed an item, you're going to find it in this list. And once you select it, you're going to return to the shipping screen to finish out the shipping activity. However, if this is a new item, all we want to do is just click on the Add button here at the top to enter the packaging estimator. Okay, so what it's going to do is actually carry over the weight from the Shipping Master screen here. And at this point, all we have to do is just start entering in the dimensions. So we'll just enter in 6 by 8 by 8, and perhaps maybe we need to assign it a value. And once we hit this particular threshold here, $500, it's going to prompt us to double box, and this can be changed. So maybe you want your double box threshold to be once it reaches $1,000, or maybe less it maybe once it reaches $250. But here we have it set to 500. So if we enter in a declared value of $500, it's going to now prompt us to use a double box instead. Okay, but for this example, we'll just uncheck that for the moment and just continue on with a single box here. And so now we've got some various fragility levels that we can choose from. So if this pack job contains an item that's not very fragile, we can select not fragile here at the top. Or if it's extremely fragile, we can choose that way down here at the bottom. And it's going to change the price, based on the fragility level we select. So we'll choose fragile for the moment here and hit select. And so it's going to carry that information over to the reviewer screen here. We got the list of SKUs, the descriptions, how much of those items we're going to be using. If we come down to the workshop, at this point we can increase or decrease the amount of wrap or fill, or if it's taking us longer than expected to pack this job, we can increase the amount of minutes here, which is going to increase the total price. If we need to modify the box, maybe add more cardboard to the top or cut the box down, all we have to do is click on the Modified tab here, and we can build up the box. Maybe we want to build it up by another extra 5 inches here, or maybe we want to cut down the box by, say, 3 inches. And if we're going to make any of those changes, we just hit apply, and it's going to come back to the Shipping Master screen here with those packaging charges. At this point we can just finish processing the label. So maybe we'll choose FedEx Ground, for example. And we're back at the point of sale here, and as you can see, it's got the charge for the packaging along with the shipment for that item. So at this point, all we have to do is just click the receipt button and we can finish out the sale. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.